What's up, millionaires? Welcome back to your channel Trader by Trust, and this is your host Hissham again. I'm with a new video of Fibonacci or Fib retracement. A lot of you might have heard of this tool, maybe try to use it but don't know how to use it properly. So in this video I will show you how to draw the Fibonacci tool and what levels we need to look at and what are the trading strategies we can use to make our trade profitable. So stay with me till the end of the video and I will explain all these things, a bit of other things as well in this video. So let's get started. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends who are in the trading or who want to start or learn about the trading, and give me 10,000 likes on this video and 10,000 views. I would be happy. Let's get started. So this is the Fib retracement tool. So let's start from the beginning. So when you are in the trading view and you see on the left panel 1, 2 and 3, on the third one click on this one, you will find the first tool which will be your Fib retracement. So click on this one and draw your Fib retracement from your pivot low to pivot high or swing low to swing high. Different people they call it with the different names but means the same. So yes, so this is your pivot low and this is your pivot high. And in Fib retracement, so these are the three main levels which you need to watch: 38.20, 50 and 61.8%. So this percentage are calculated by the mathematical equation, which is a very long discussion and I would not touch in this video. So I will try to keep it simple so you can understand it, and if you want me, we can do another long video for you guys, or maybe in the future I'm looking for the live sessions as well, we may discuss in that. So yeah, these are three levels you need to watch. So these levels will consider as a springboard. So when the, let's say you're jumping from this height and when you're coming down here, so you will see from 38.2 you see a bigger push from here. 50 level you may see a less push as compared to this 38.2, and on the 61.8 when you see the reversal from here, so that generally is less as compared to these two levels. But again, this is not a thumb rule. Trading is all about probabilities. So sometimes the price comes here and 61.8 you see a big bounce from here, and sometimes from 38.2 you see a very small bounce. So it's just about the probabilities, but generally you will see a bigger push. And also this 50 and the 61.8 area, it is also known as a golden pocket. So generally most of the time when you're using the Fib retracement tool, you will see the price come and hold 50 or 61.8 area. So I will explain later on how to use these areas for your trading as well. And so far some of you still might have the question how to identify the pivot low and the pivot high. So let me clear it and start again. So basically once you see the push in the price action and you will see the drop, not like the small drop like this one, you see a big significant drop, you see the reversal in the price. So that's where you are looking to draw the Fib retracement. Let's say if we look at this push, I will not draw the fibs on this area because this is not a drop here, it's not the retracement, it's just a pause in that trading. But if I need to draw from this level, from this pivot low, draw from here, that will be my pivot high. So this pivot low and this pivot high, and you see here the price comes down, hold this 50 fib level, and we have seen the big push from here, from the 50 fib level. You will find a lot of examples of this. Well, I may show you a couple of more on the smaller time frames as well, which is easy to identify. Okay, so there we go. That's another example. That's again your pivot low and that's your pivot high. You see, hold the 50 level and you see a big bounce here, but again that's not always the rule. So this is your fibs, that's how you draw. These are the three levels which I have shown you are major and important to consider. Also strategies, yes, let's go over the strategies. So keep in mind, so for the trading, don't use the fib retracement as the only tool for your trading strategy. Also make sure you combine the fib tool with other tools or other confirmation as well. All right, let's take this as an example. So there's our pivot low. So start from here and go to the pivot high. So the reason why I have selected this instead of this, because you see there's a reversal here in the price, and then after that we have seen the push again. Okay, so let's say if the price is coming down, why you want to look at these three areas. You see here the price comes down, what is the confirmation here? So the confirmation here is the support. So this is the support. It's a little bit messy, not a clear structure, but this is the support level. You see here after that the price comes down, retested here again on the same level, and we have seen the push in the price from there. So always like whenever you're using 38.50, look for the confirmation. Like you can look for the support level or the order block. By the way, if you don't know what is the order block, I will put the link somewhere above in the video or in the description as well. Go and check out my order block video as well. It will help you to increase your win rate in the trading. So yes, so this is the way you can find the trading, or sometimes you will find the fib retracement matching with your trend lines as well. So in this case, let's find here. So that's a pivot low. No, this is just like a fake out. So this is the here. So you see in the reversal from here comes down to here, that is your support level. So it's 61.8 level, it's aligning with your support level as well. So you got two confirmations now, 61.8 fib level and your support level as well. So if you're looking for the trade, you can take a trade here. Let's say enter here at this level from here, and the stop loss, I always use 78.6 as a stop loss if there's a big gap between the previous market structure, or if there's any structure here. Obviously definitely use the previous structure as your stop loss. Try to clear the previous structure as well. But let's say we have targeting this area. So this is our 3.57 risk to reward using the fib retracement. There will be a lot of example in this one, but I don't want to drag this video. So that's how you use the fib retracement tools. Combine this with your trading strategies like the support, resistance, order block, or EMAs. A lot of people use the EMAs and use fib retracement with the EMAs as well. So try to make some kind of strategies. Don't use it just only fib retracement. It might work, but most of the time it will not work. I have done the back testing of this one. I will recommend to every one of you as well to do the back testing, so it gives you the confirmation which levels works for you. So all these three levels, it has a connection with your psychology as well. So I have done the testing. So 38.2 level is not good for me. So regardless of what happens in the market, I never ever put my trade on this 38.2 level because my win rate is very less. So these are the two areas I focus when I'm using the fib retracement. And if the price comes in this area, that's fine, I will take the trade. If not, I will not chase the trade because I want to secure my capital first, which is the golden rule in your trading journey. So hope you guys learned something from this, and again, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button and viral this video. Thanks for watching.